Hi, welcome back. In my earlier videos, I mentioned that arithmetic is about manipulation of numbers. I also showed how decimal numbers can be converted into binary. Various arithmetic operations can be performed on numbers like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's focus on addition of numbers in this video. As you all by now know, computers only understand numbers in binary. Let's take a few addition problems and solve them. To begin with, we will solve addition of some easy numbers. We know very well the way to add decimal numbers, but in binary, let's see how we can add numbers. Binary has two numbers, which are 0 and 1. Let's draw a magic table first. That way it will make it a lot easier. Let me teach you guys how to add numbers in binary. But to make it simple, let me draw the magic table for you guys. It looks something like this. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. But wait, there is no 2 in binary. So 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. So that is the magic table. Let's start off with some simple numbers to add in binary. Let's start off with 7 plus 6. What is 7 plus 6 in decimal? 13. To add it in binary, 7 equals what in binary? Let me put the place values. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, so on and so forth. What is 7 in binary? 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals 7. So 7 equals 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. What is 6? 4 plus 2 equals 6. So 1, 1, and you just put the 0 under 1. So 6 equals 1, 1, 0. To add this in binary, let me teach you guys. What is 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0? 1 plus 0 equals 1. If you look back at the magic table, 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0, because as I said before, there is no 2 in binary. So to put this, you put the 0 here, and then put the 1, and you carry the 1 on the top. 1 plus 1 plus 1. To make it simple, let's do two numbers at a time. 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0, as you can see in the magic table. So we are just going to erase that and replace that with 1, 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. So 13 in binary equals 1, 1, 0, 1. To make sure, let's put out the place values. 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4 plus 1 equals 13. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0 equals 13. Let's take some harder numbers. Let's take 17 and 15. First, to do this, we need to find 17 in binary. What is it? 32 is above 17, so we're not going to use anything above 32 or the number 32 itself. What number is closest to 17? 16, so we put a 1 there automatically. Zeros under all the other numbers, and 1 under the 1 because 16 plus 1 equals 17. What is 15 in binary? 16 is above 15, so we're not going to use anything above 16 or the number 16 itself. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 12 plus 2 equals 14. 14 plus 1 equals 15. Now let's add this up with the help of our magic table. 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. We put the 0 and carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. Again, 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. And 1 plus 1 again equals 1, 0. What is this in decimal? Now, let me place the placeholders. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 32 times 1, 32. 16 times 0, 0. 8 times 0, 0. 0 times 4, 0. 0 times 2, 0. And 0 times 1 equals 0. So 32 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 32. As you can see, 17 plus 15 equals 32. Let's take little more harder numbers. 65 plus 40. I already placed the magic table for you guys and the place values. Let's go over them. This is the 1's place, 2's place, 4's place, 8's place, 16's place, 32's place, 64's place, and the 128's place. Now, let's resolve it. In order to solve this problem, we need to find 65 in binary. 128 is above 65, so we're not going to use anything above 128 or the number 128 itself. 64 is closest to 65, so we put a 1 under it. 64 plus what equals 65? 64 plus 1 equals 65. So we put zeros under all the other numbers and the 1 under the 1. What is 40 in binary? 64 is above 40, so we're not going to use anything above 64 or the number 64 itself. 32 is the closest to 40, so we automatically put a 1 under it. 32 plus what equals 40? 32 plus 8 equals 40. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Let's solve this. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. What is this in decimal? Let me put the place values under this. 1's place, 2's place, 4's place, 8's place, 16's place, 32's place, 64. 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 1. What is that? Let's solve it right here. 64 plus 32 equals 6, 9. 96 plus 8 equals 6 plus 8 equals 14. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 104 plus 1 equals 105. As you can see here, 65 plus 40 equals 105. In this video, I taught you guys how to add numbers in binary. I know it's a little bit hard, but once you get the hang of it, you'll get it. I really hope you understood what I was teaching you guys and enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to be notified for each of my new posts. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you enjoyed.